I'm trying something new here. Every month I'm going to produce a quick overview video to show off what things I've been working on. These are typically small projects that I build in my spare time for, well, a variety of reasons. So without further exposition, I present the July 2016 project video. Starting off this month was a project called the fridge magnet. It's an overengineered solution to a simple problem. The goal was to build a mechanism to track whether the dishwasher was full or empty, to encourage certain other individuals to not shirk their duties. Much to my surprise, it was a resounding success. It's amazing what a little awareness can do, and a brightly colored thing on the fridge is hard to ignore, apparently. The project began as a particle photon attached to an LCD touchscreen breakout from Adafruit. I quite enjoy graphical rendering and hardware interface coding, so it should come as no surprise that I built the entire thing from scratch. The device tracks its state using a web service I run locally to collect temperature data, so I also ended up adding a temperature monitor. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Maybe in the future I'll build it a proper circuit board and enclosure. Next, a friend of mine pointed me at some relatively new motor driver chips from Trinamic. I've been meaning to do more with robotics and automation, and had been planning to design my own stepper motor controller because of things I didn't like with existing motor driver chips, but this new chip solves many of the problems that were on my list. With some experimentation, I was able to get the Trinamic chip running and do basic motor movement, after which I decided this chip was ideal for my use, and so I went about designing a breakout board for my projects. The board is pretty minimal, but includes pins for most of the chip's core functionality and an optional 5-volt regulator so I can run simple projects from a single 12-volt rail if I like. At the end of the month, I had received the boards but had not yet assembled them, so that's a topic for the next video. That's all for this month. Thanks for watching. I'll be experimenting with video content and narration for a while probably. Any thoughts on the projects or the video itself? I'm always interested to hear them, or talk more about what I've been working on.